It's been a long time that I haven't uploaded any video in this channel. And since that time, many of you have been asking about how to improve your English. Although I already made a video on it, which many people watched, but then also many of you have concerns about how I improved my English. If you see my first video, I was not that much bad at that time also. I had a decent fluency in spoken English. But what is the real reason behind my fluency over English? Many of you will be advised by saying that just read the vocabularies, and someone will say that just start reading the books, or someone will say let's start speaking. But this is not the only thing you really need. There are three things on which I am going to talk about, and without the combination of these three things, I don't think so that it was possible for me to reach this level. Watch this video till end if you are really serious about spoken English. These three things which I am going to talk about is very simple, and it is only going to take 90 minutes of your day. So let's break down your problem. Your main problem is that you're not able to speak in English language. To speak in English language, the words which you are saying in English should be the words which you already have in your mind. You should have been in the practice of those words. Suppose if I say a word like blasphemy, that word, if it is not in my dictionary, or it's been a long time that I haven't seen that word, or I haven't spoken loud from my mouth, because you have to be in a habit of knowing about the words, you should be seeing them. And for that, read. Reading is the first step if you really want to improve your English. There are not a lot of words which you'll be using in your life. It is just like 80-20 rule. The 20% English will be used in your 80% spoken English. So start reading. And even if you read, you are already using only that 20% language of English. So the first one which I would like to give you the advice is about reading for half minutes. Now the remaining 60 minutes of the day. Have you ever observed this thing that if an Indian speaks English, we already get to know that he is Indian, and someone in foreign like UK, USA, Canada, London, anywhere outside India speaks English, we can get to know that this person is not from India, and that is because of accent they are using. To learn the accent, the second thing required is to listen. Listen to as many people as you can and as much as you can. Be it watching English movies, be it listening podcast, be it listening to any motivational video, be it listening any video, but listen only in English. This was the second thing. The third thing, which will take another 30 minutes of yours, is speaking it. Even if in your exams you practice a lot, if you're not giving mock tests, you will not be in an idea of how much time we should be giving to which questions. So speaking is very important and plays a vital role if you really want to speak English. Now talking about myself, it's been just 2 to 3 years since I have grown up my English language. I was not good in spoken English from my childhood. I was not talented at all. It was just my luck and hard work. Why luck? Because since class 10th I have been grown in a private school, and because of the environment in which I have been growing, it helped me a lot to read and listen. But I never volunteered myself to speak upon it. And the real game started when I started making content on YouTube. Although I have been listening and reading since my childhood, but the main thing which was required, which is to speak, I started speaking at that time. And now also I have been doing all these three things which I am telling you. If now you will need any video on spoken English, you are done. Because these are the only three things which makes a person in spoken English from zero to top. And this is the only advice I would like to give to the people who are asking from me that how I am so good in spoken English.